something that is in the slime rancher. Slime. What happens if you feed a slime a plort? It becomes a Largo. There are a bunch of combinations for a Largo. But yeah. And today, I'm going to show you all of them. First, we have to get them. So let's continue. The Indigo Quarry is a great place to discover oka-okas. Okay. So I've already started this with a pink phosphor larva. But next we're gonna need a pink rock larva. So I gotta feed them. One pink rock slime coming up. Yes. Yeah. Well, I like this one. Some of these I haven't seen. And I'm going to show you them with secret style and without secret style. What's the next? Tabby slimes, yeah. I already have Tabby phosphor Largos. Ugh. I never see my Saber mosaics without the secret style. They look cool. Oh yeah, these are my Tabby phosphorus. And by the way, yes, gold Gordos are a real thing. I'm playing on console, so you could believe it. Because you can install mods on console. I also have it on PC, and I have mods installed, but I'm just more used to playing it on console. And also my PC is very laggy, if you may say. There are 14 Largoable slimes, I think. So we'll need like 14 pink slimes. Sorry, blobberts. I'm trying not to take the guys with the party hats. Are any of the guys on the second floor? Yeah. No one's here. I literally had some face lemons. Give me. Slime. And it will take like this. Put one up there. He's gonna be lonely. But one more. I wish I had a teleporter here that just goes straight to the docks. you've seen some pink tabbies before. Everyone has. These are what they look like. They're like cats. See them? What's your favorite from here? Mine is probably the pink tabby. What's next in the market? Rad. Simple, we have rad slimes. Kind of weird seeing my rad slimes without the secret style. So get a rad plort. Also need honey and boom. So I'll take the boom plort and then go over here and get the honey plort. And oh yeah, I forgot how these guys look without the secret style. Eat, eat, eat. Yay! Give me a honey plot. So those are the things we need. So we'll just put them down here. Oh, eat it! How do pink boom slime look? Oh yeah, I remember these guys. These guys are in the jungle. Look at this one looks weird. Next, the pink rat slime. No. Next, the pink honey slime. We've all seen this. I saw them in my speed run. Yeah, they are cool. Then pink rad. Oh yeah, this one with the glowing eyes. By the way, rat slime's radiation barrier gets removed if they're in water. Which I've only learned like a few days ago. Next we got Crystal, Quantum, and Dervish. It's good that my Crystal and Dervish guys are in the same place. Go back. This one is Party Pod. Oh, this is what they normally look like. Oh yeah, one Crystal, one Dervish, these drones last long. And then finally Quantum. I haven't seen a pink, oh, why is there a scare slime here? There shouldn't be a scare slime there. Well, I have to demolish it, but garden. Now there's no scare slime. Why was there a scare slime there? I gotta go here, get some quantum bloods. Oh my god, one of them is up there. How do I get up there? Yes, he's down. pink crystal, I think. Oh, that's cool. And then pink quantum, I think, is next. Hopefully that guy doesn't escape. And then pink dervish. Oh, this guy's cool. They're all in the cage. So many pink Largos. Largos. What are the final four? Pink hunter, pink tango, pink mosaic, and pink saber. It's good that my mosaic and sabers are here. I'm gonna take mosaic and saber. I'm just gonna sell these. They make good money, okay? And finally, pink tango. Whatever. I need to put that there. Because I'm trying to do this in order. It's hunter, mosaic, tango, and then saber. So I need my hunter. The hunter Gordo is literally so cool. It looks like there's nothing there when you're like far. Like, yeah, see? Yeah, so yeah, the last four. So it is pink. Hunter? Oh no, they're feral. That's bad. Pink mosaic? It's gonna be hard to make all those hunter logos. Oh, pink mosaic looks cool. Pink tangle. Oh my god, this looks sick. Finally, we need my saber foot. Okay. Pink. Oh, look at that. This looks cool. So first I'm gonna put pink rock. Take him out. This is normal pink rock. It's cool, right? And this is pink rock with both secret styles. This is pink rock with only the pink secret style. And this is pink rock with only the rock secret style. I don't want to make you watch through all of this. Oh my god, there's so many tornadoes. All I care about is my pink quantum. Yeah, my pink quantum is still there. So yeah. So we don't need this. Bye-bye. He's bald. Oh, look at all of this tornadoes. How are they outside? No. 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 Wait. I need to do this quick. Put everything in it. And then this one will be just the phosphor. Because he needs that. The others can be outside. Oh my god. The pink honey guy is just in a... Okay, this is pink phosphor. Okay. What do we do with the other guy? The pink hunter. No, get back in. The pink dervish needs to go somewhere. Go in there. Okay, yeah, there's a pink phosphor. This is a pink phosphor with only pink secret style. This is pink phosphor with only phosphor secret style. And finally, this is pink phosphor with both secret styles. Yeah, so you could disintegrate in the daytime. I don't even need to throw you off. Next, we're gonna do a group. I might make this like a part, like a series. This is already the... So this could be like just the pink ones. So this is the 3 with only the pink secret style. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna change my secret style. So let's do it without yeah. And these are the 2, the 3 without secret style. This is them with both secret styles. So yeah, you take your time to look at them. Okay. With no pink secret style. So now we can throw them off, I think. Bye-bye. I might do pink and rock today. I should get an achievement for that, but I did already. You know what? I'll get pink crystal. Pink dervish. Because I just really want him to get off. And pink mosaic. These are them with no secret styles. Okay, yeah, this is them with both secret styles. Pick your favorites. The pink dervish doesn't really change anything. Why did you get out? Did the tornadoes no clip you out? Wait, you're gonna raise the crystals with water? Oh yeah, that's both secret style. Okay. This is them with no pink secret style. Oh, this one looks cool. But let me just look at it. It looks like you're looking into a nebula. Pink mosaic and also pink crystal. And then finally, yeah, here they are. How are they happy? This is only the pink secret styles. Wait, what? There's some crystal infused in this one. Is that supposed to be like crystal, or is that just the lighting of the gems? Bye-bye. Pretty sure my phosphorus slime disintegrated already. Finally, we got the dervish guy off. This guy just looks cool. Bye-bye. Next, we have Hunter. Tabby. Saber. Where'd Tangle go? Oh, Tangle. Pretty sure Quantum is gone. I'm just gonna get that real quick. Okay. I just got the pink Quantum sign. This is gonna be a long series. Yes, very cool. Oh no, the pink hunter is still there. It's kind of weird seeing the pink guys without the secret style. This was a bad idea to put him when he... This is only the pink secret style. The music is playing. This is him with no secret styles. No. No. Bad pink slime. I mean bad pink quantum slime. Who cares? So yeah, this is no pinks. See? No pink ones. I'm gonna need so many saber parts. But I'll also need to find like an actual hunter slime, which is like annoying on its own. And these are both super styles. So say bye-bye to my pink Tabby Largo, my pink Quant. Imagine he clutches this and then he makes a clone and teleports right before he falls off. There's no way that happens. Pink Saber. I like him. Pink Tangle. Didn't I already throw the pink hunter off? Whatever. Come here. Die. Ah! He hit a rock. Okay, yeah, he's dead. Okay. This is episode 1 of the Largo series. would say. And yeah, I'm Louis, and I'm out.